Okay, so I wanted to do a shorter video with some better light conditions and give you a bit of a closer look at the inside of this amp. I've had a few requests now, a few of my watches there on eBay. Alright, so here's the transformer in question. Kenwood power transformer. There you go. Don't know if you can hear this. Thing is, it doesn't seem to be coming from the transformer, it seems to be coming from down there. And that's where the source select shows up on the front, so I don't know whether that's a symptom of it arcing across on the transformer or whether it's something else. It's better to say with my little knowledge of such things. Hopefully you can hear that. And the amp itself sounds really nice, really warm. Okay, here we go. Balance. Right, left. Loudness on. Muting on. Source select. See here it's got the dubbing. A to B, B to A. Presumably for some sort of tape deck. Really good filters on here. Hear the boost on that. See the treble seems to be boosting the sound of that, which I'm sure is the usual thing. A bit of a noise on the bass one as well. Probably just the contacts on the back of there. Maybe have a quick look around the back too. Right.